Hey there, makeup lovers. Welcome to a world where creativity meets color, and where even the most dramatic looks can be broken down into simple, fun steps. If you're anything like me, diving into the world of makeup can feel a bit overwhelming at first. There are so many brushes, palettes, and techniques out there, it's easy to get lost. But don't worry, I'm here to make it all super approachable. Today, I'm here to guide you through creating the perfect smoky eye using a fun claymation twist. Whether you're a total beginner or just looking for a new way to play with your look, this tutorial is for you. Let's jump right in and unleash your inner artist. First things first, let's talk about our base. Just like any masterpiece, a flawless look starts with the right foundation. Always start with a clean, primed lid. This step helps your eyeshadow stick better and last longer, so don't skip it. Think of it like prepping your canvas before painting. A smooth, even surface makes all the difference when you're about to create something beautiful. Now grab your favorite neutral eyeshadow shade, something close to your skin tone, and sweep it across your eyelid. This will help all the other colors blend together effortlessly. This is going to be our transition color, helping everything blend seamlessly. It's like the background of your claymation scene, subtle but essential. Next, it's time to bring in some depth. This is where the magic of the smoky eye really starts to take shape. Take a darker shade, something like a brown or a soft black, and apply it to the outer corner of your eye. This creates that signature smoky effect and adds dimension. Use a small, fluffy brush for this step. It gives you more control and helps you avoid harsh lines. Remember, it's all about building up the color gradually. Start light and add more as you go, just like layering clay to sculpt a figure. Blend, blend, and blend some more. The more you blend, the softer and more professional your smoky eye will look. Imagine you're sculpting with clay. It's all about precision and patience. Each stroke shapes your look, so take your time and enjoy the process. Now for the fun part, the smoky effect. This is where your look really comes to life and gets that wow factor. Dip into your darkest shade, perhaps a charcoal or deep black. Don't be afraid to go bold here. This is what gives the smoky eye its drama. Apply it along the lash line and slightly into the crease. This technique helps define your eyes and makes them pop. Use a pencil brush for more control. It lets you get right up close to the lash line and blend with precision. The key here is to keep the darkest color closest to your lash line, giving that classic smoky effect. You can even smudge a bit along your lower lash line for extra drama. Blend out any harsh lines, let those shadows melt into each other like clay figures in a stop-motion film. The smoother the transition, the more seamless your look. To add a pop of light, grab a shimmery shade and gently press it onto the center of your lid. This step really brightens up your eyes and adds dimension. This will catch the light beautifully, just like a shimmering spotlight in a claymation scene. It's the perfect finishing touch for that extra sparkle. Finish it off with a swipe of eyeliner and a coat of mascara to make everything pop. Don't forget to wiggle the mascara wand from root to tip for maximum volume. And there you have it, your very own smoky eye, brought to life with a touch of claymation magic. A stunning smoky eye that's perfect for beginners. You'll be amazed at how easy it is once you break it down step by step. Just like crafting a clay figure, it's all about practice, patience, and having fun with it. Every time you try, you'll get a little better and a little bolder. Don't be afraid to experiment and make it your own. Try different color combinations, add a little glitter, or keep it classic. There are no rules. Remember, makeup is an art, and you're the artist. Each look you create is a unique expression of your style and personality. So grab your brushes, channel your inner claymation creator, and give it a go. Don't be shy. Let your imagination run wild and see what you can come up with. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time for more makeup magic. Until then, keep experimenting, keep creating, and most importantly, have fun. Bye for now.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.